Hi everyone, Sandy here. Welcome to my channel. Hi guys, well it's Sunday and that means family day at the beach in the Gambia. In the Gambia, everybody goes to the beach on a Sunday. Here we are. We'll take a little shelter under the palm tree. View. Yay! Somebody going to ride the horse with their little one. Yeah, it's all happening. It's got a little bit of light drizzle as well at the moment, I noticed. But it is forecast storm. But as you know, it's rainy season, so it's to be expected. It could be rain and everybody finds shelter, apart from the ones who's already wet in the water. And then they'll come back out again. This is the view. Isn't it lovely? Matthew playing with his drone. Right, where is it? And it is in the sky. You can see. Bring it down a little bit. Yeah, playing with his drone and all the kids them are fascinated with it. What happens when you're on the beach and the cows just walking by like nothing. Beach day for the cows as well, I think. Isn't it? Time for a little dip in the sea, I think. Try to avoid the football. I think my battery's going low, I'm afraid. But oh, wonderful day, everyone. I'm certainly enjoying myself. Here, smiling coastal Africa. Look at everyone just enjoying themselves. The beach is full. Sunday is the day for the family in the Gambia. Everyone's down at the beach. Well, I better put my phone away and have a proper dip. Oh, it's a nice sun ray at the background there, isn't it? Bye for now. I enjoy my Sunday, the first day of August. Yes, give thanks and prayers that I'm here in the motherland, enjoying it. But for me, as always, it's love, peace, and blessings. Ashe, ashe.
Waka waka Nazangaliwa.
Don't know what they're saying, but they're singing to me. Money in the hands. To my purse. What more money?